Morning. Got a Happy New Year thing going on. Just thought I'd come out and do something in my garage. I stripped all this pallet wood down over Christmas, but it's all in way, and you can't do no when it's in way. You can't get to your cupboards, you can't get to your tools. So what I'm thinking is I'll build some sort of wood store over there. I've got my compressor up in the corner there. So I'm going to take all that down, I'm going to tidy all that corner, and I'm going to build a wood store because I've got my welder and that up there, but they're on wheels so I can move them about. So that's going to be a permanent wood store. There, that's better already. Nice bit of space I never knew I had. Right, what I want to do is I want to have a shelf about here so I can store different kinds of wood underneath. I've got some Portuguese pine that's quite nice that will go under here, and then I'm going to put a shelf on there and put all my other wood on top of that. So I'm going to put that one across there. It's just a bit long, I'm just going to cut that down a little bit. Right, looks like a Chippendale. So I just put another brace across that end there. We'll probably put another one in the middle. Just going to put these underneath. It's a little piece of scrap hardwood. I'll put these underneath before I put the other ones on it. So just keep them off the floor a bit. Right, that's a bit better. They're all in sizes now. I can see what I've got. So that's my Portuguese pine. That's quite nice wood. I use that for sort of nice projects because it sands up nice and you get a nice finish on it. Right, so all my other just standard pallet I'm going to put on that on the top, but it's going to go that way across, I think.